Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark on Instagram Reels. So as you know, there is no direct feature where you can add watermarks to your videos on Instagram Reels, but still you can add watermark by using this trick that I'm going to show you on this video. So let's just start by opening the Instagram application, and now you can just tap on the plus to create the reel, start creating the reels video. Don't forget to click on the reel tabs in here at the bottom, and now you can just select the videos for your reels. Okay, so for example, this is the video that I want to upload to reels. So on Instagram, you can just use the text tool to start adding your watermark. So in here, you can click on this AA options, and then you can just type in your usernames or your watermarks in here. For example, I'm going to just go with this one. Then you can just tap on done. But if you want to, you can also modify the font or the color of the watermark. Okay, you can tap on done, and here you can adjust the positions to how you like it. For example, I'm going to go with here, or you can also use these add photo options. If you have your own logo, you can click on stickers and tap on photo and put your watermark logo here. Or you can also use video editor apps to add your watermark. You can add your logo or your watermark to your videos using any video editor apps that you use. So after you creating your watermark, you can just tap on next and then upload your reels. And that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. But if you still have more questions, you can always leave a comment down below. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!